It's nice to go out and do your research in the open air in very nice habitats, in many cases around the area that you get to see. So we're one of the few schools now that actually does this particular type of study. And we concentrate in the 9-county East Central Indiana area. My name is Don Rook. I'm a professor of biology here at Ball State University. I've been here finishing up my 15th year, and for the last 12 years my research has been involved with inventorying and description of various natural habitats that occur in East Central Indiana. So it's giving us a frequency of plants in the area.
A lot of people think of Indiana as just flat cornfields and soybean fields, and it's not. You know, we have these little pockets of woodlands, and some of them are very diverse, and it's good to document it to let other people know that.
And the thing that excites me most is the experience that I'll be gaining. Just the opportunity to be working with someone of his experience. Like, he's really into what he does, and he's very knowledgeable, and I feel that I could definitely gain further knowledge into the field.
And what I really enjoy about working with students in the field is I get to teach them, have them learn. I get the joy of their learning and doing projects. I go to listen to their presentations at state and national meetings, and I sort of sit there like a proud father because they're doing such a nice job. So I really enjoy working with the students in the aspect that I'm teaching to them or with them, and they're learning and they're expanding. I see them growing while I do the project.
11.5. The learning process sort of becomes part of the conversation and a little more natural. And when it's not, I'm sitting down studying, staring at this tree, trying to remember what it is, it's easier to remember. You know, it just comes to you better.
When I interviewed for my job here, I told them I was a teacher. That was my primary purpose, was to be a teacher, and that my research was second to that. Having a chance to come to a public institution which had a greater amount or a greater availability of funding for faculty. Of course, a greater number of students that you could get to participate in your research and so forth, was primarily the reason why I came to Ball State.
Dr. Ruck was obviously my first choice. He was a great guy, and he made me feel very welcome, and he's an asset to the Ball State community.